friends. Today I am switching out some of my decor to holiday inspired decor, and I have this chalkboard in my foyer by my stairwell, and you can see there clearly I haven't changed that out in a while because it's got a summary transfer on there that is way overdue to change out. I just simply forget about it because it's in my foyer. So I pulled that down. I'm going to spray off my chalkboard with some water, let it sit for a minute to help the chalk paste reactivate, and then I'm going to use my scraper, and you can see just how well this scrapes up that paste. It really does an amazing job. So once I wipe that off, you'll see that there's still quite a bit of ghosting on there on my chalkboard. So I'm just going to spray it with a little bit more water and then use my board eraser, and look how easy that cleans that board off. Perfect. So once I've dried that off, I'm going to grab my December Club Couture transfer. Club Couture is a monthly subscription kit where you will receive a monthly exclusive transfer along with 3 coordinating chalk paste singles. You will also receive the lowest flat rate shipping on your first order placed each month, free shipping on the subscription kit, video how-to instructions, and special deals and sales throughout the year. I absolutely love this month's Club Couture transfer. I love the sentiment, I love the script and the design. It's just beautiful. And I plan on keeping this up through January and February. So I'm going to chalk this just in some bright white paste. And then you'll see once I pull up my transfer, before the chalk paste is dried, I'm going to sprinkle on some glitter. So we of course have shimmer pastes that have glitter in it, but I really wanted to have the wow factor, have that glitter really pop. So I am going to grab some glitter. This is sea green glitter. It's a fine glitter. I picked this up at Michael's. And I'm just going to sprinkle this all on my wet chalk paste. You want to make sure that your chalk paste is wet. Obviously, if it's not going to have anything to adhere to. And I gently, very gently pressed a little bit of the glitter into the paste to make sure it sticks. And I shimmied it around to make sure it was sticking to my paste, and I absolutely love how this turned out. And you can see I have this tray that I have had for years and years from Stampin' Up! That I just sprinkle drop the glitter back into the tray, and then you can pour it back into your jar. So if they still have that available, I will link that below. And then I'm just going to take a little a paintbrush, a clean paintbrush, and I'm just kind of brushing off where the glitter was left on my chalkboard. Probably didn't need to. I probably could have just dried this with my my hair dryer and then done that after the fact. I was just being careful to not smudge the chalk paste, but it just turned out absolutely beautiful. It's glittery, and when the sun shines in my foyer, it's just so wonderful. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I'll see you next time.